Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Sephora haul as a Sephora employee. So just keep watching so you can see what I picked up.
Alright, so I got a couple of hair products, you guys. Yes. I have been actually using the Olaplex. The Olaplex is in my shower. But the Olaplex number 4, the purple shampoo, for anybody that has blonde color treated hair, I definitely recommend that you guys get the Olaplex line, the number 4 especially, because it tones your hair, allows you to wait longer in between sessions, so it saves you some money. I would also recommend that you get the number 3, which is the treatment that you're only supposed to use once a week for 15 minutes. I would advise you guys to do it at night and let you guys sleep in it, just because it works a lot better on your hair. And of course, make sure that you get number 5, which is the conditioner, because the 3 of them together literally make your hair feel super soft. It is the best thing for your hair, especially if you color treat it a lot, if you straighten it, blow dry it, curl it, a lot of that. I do that to my hair on a regular, and my hair will start to feel very brittle. But since I've been using the Olaplex, I have not had that problem. So definitely make sure you pick those guys. Pick those up. And since I was using those for some time now, I picked up the Olaplex number 7, the bonding oil, which it's supposed to boost, shine, strengthen, and repair all hair types. And this is what the packaging looks like for Olaplex. And this is what the number 7. And the reason I picked this up is because I was actually watching another YouTuber who incorporated this in her hair routine, and it literally makes her hair look amazing. Granted that the hair is on camera, so I don't really know what it looks like in person, but that's what I told myself to justify the fact that I was purchasing it. So that's what I'm gonna tell you guys, so that you guys go purchase it. Okay, so we're gonna be in this together. I picked up the Nourishing Hair Oil from Seoul de Janeiro, the Bum Bum line kind of thing. That's what I remember it. Like, I call it Bum Bum because everyone comes in for like the cream. I don't particularly like the cream. I think it smells good on other people. I just don't like the way it smells on me. But I picked up the hair oil just because, one, it's supposed to be good for your hair, right? It's supposed to tame, freeze, add a gloss, mirror-like shine, protect against heat and UV damage, replenishes and transform dry, damaged hair. And I have all of those things. So I picked one up. My daughter kind of has it too because she just recently dyed her hair for her birthday. So we have to kind of like, you know, treat it and make sure that she doesn't get all that breakage. So this is what the bottle looks like. And it's dope. Like, I can't wait to start using this on my hair. I can't. Then I picked up these 3 things. I picked up from the same line the dry shampoo because I was watching a YouTube video. Yes, guys, YouTube does make me spend money also. So I was on YouTube and I was watching this girl, and she was kind of doing her hair. Like, it was kind of like a get ready. No, it wasn't a get ready me. It was a vlog. But she was talking and she was doing her hair on the vlog, and she used the dry shampoo. And I don't really like dry shampoo just because I don't like the cast and the way that it makes your hair feel. But she said that this doesn't leave that cast. It doesn't make your hair feel yucky, and it has like a vanilla scent. And I like vanilla. So I picked one up just to see if it really works. And while I did that, I saw that they had these 2 little shampoo and conditioners. They're supposed to be really good for your hair, strengthens, smoothens, and kind of repairs your hair. So I picked up these 2 for my daughter so that she can start using them. And granted, I don't know if she's gonna like them, so I just picked up the little ones because I didn't want to spend too much money on it and then she doesn't like it. So I can't wait for her to try these 2 and let you guys know. I might sneak a little bit just to see, you know, what it's like, but you know, I'll let you guys know. On to skincare, guys. As much as I spend on makeup, I should really be spending that much on skincare. But I try not to use different products of skincare because my skin is very sensitive. So if I use something and it has a product that doesn't really agree with my skin, I will flare up and break out. So I'm very picky with what I put on my face. I kind of just stick to the stuff that I've been using because that's the stuff that works for me. But I am trying to try new products so I can give you guys reviews to let you know, guys, if I think something works, if it's worth the money or not. So on that train, I picked up the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream Dewy Moisturizer. And it's supposed to do just that. It's supposed to moisturize and plump your skin. And it's refillable. It's this refillable moisturizer in a durable glass jar made to last. Every moisturizer refill is sealed fresh in a 50% PCR pod to reduce overall waste, carbon emissions when possible. And it says moisturizer melts into skin quickly, leaving a refreshing dewy glow. It features a hydrating blend of 3 plump extracts, 5 weights of hyaluronic acid, for long-lasting intense hydration. Ice willow herb helps balance oil and support a healthy looking skin barrier, best for combination skin, which I have. And it says after serum, smooth a dime size amount onto clean skin morning and night, gently pat into skin until fully absorbed. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute packaging, so I picked this up. I didn't get the serum. Now that I think about it, I might get the serum just because I'll use both products together to see if they really work. And this is what the actual package looks like. I think it's super cute. So I'll be trying this out probably within the next week. I just have other stuff that I'm using right now, and I want to use it at least for 2 weeks straight to kind of see what my skin does, see if I like it or if I don't like it. If I don't like it, just to go ahead and get rid of it. Because I'm not gonna keep it if I can't use it on my skin. Then from Rose Inc, I picked up their Rose Inc Skin Resolution Clarifying Toner, and this is what the toner looks like. I don't have the packaging because I've actually been using this, and I actually really like it. I don't feel like it's harsh on my skin. It has a nice little smell to it, but it just does that. It has been clarifying my skin. I think it has to do a lot with the fact that I'm drinking a lot more water right now also, so I think it's a good combo. After I use the toner, I go in with the Radiant Reveal Brightening Serum, and you're only supposed to use this at night per the packaging. But this is what this looks like, and I feel like it leaves my skin super soft and super nice. And I wake up in the morning, it's still soft. It's not greasy, but it's soft. So I definitely like that. I also picked up from The Ordinary the Direct Assets Hyaluronic Acid 7% Toning Solution. The reason I picked this up was because on Instagram they had a video where they use this toning for your underarm to get rid of like the dark areas. So that's something that happens. You can't avoid it. You know, some people get it, some people don't. It is what it is. So I thought that I would try this and see if it actually works. There was another girl that was also coming in. She actually came in for it. She was using it to get rid of a dark spot on her face. So I was like, dude, well, maybe this really does work to get rid of dark spots. So I picked one up so I can use it under my underarms and see if it really works. I will let you guys know. And then last thing, well, close to the last thing I picked up is this Summer Friday Soft Reset AHA Exfoliating Solution. This is another toner. This is supposed to work really good with your skin. It says reset your skin overnight with a powerful 3-in-1 treatment that exfoliates, brightens to help reduce the appearance of pores. Now I have super big pores on my nose, so I figured I would give this a try to see if it actually works. Have I tried it out? Not yet, but because I have other things I'm trying out also, so I'm trying. I just realized I also picked up these makeup wipe towels just because I get tired of freaking buying wipes. I feel like it's harsher on my skin than if I just use a cloth. So what I do now is just wet it with warm water, remove my makeup when I use like my cleanser, and I'll do like a double cleanse and wipe the first round with a towel like this, and then go in with the second cleanse and then just pat dry my face with a regular towel and go in with the rest of my skincare. And that seems to be working for me much better. So I picked one of these up because you get like 6 of them in there, and they just come in different colors, and then they give you like a scrunchie on top of it. You know, nothing really special, but hey, I picked it up just in case it works. But yeah, guys, these were all of the products I picked up while working at Sephora. I am still currently working there, so I'm sure I will pick up more products. But you know, I'm going to go to Shopaholics therapy because I definitely need it. In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. You never know, I might surprise you guys with another giveaway, but you won't know if you're not subscribed or following. So make sure that you guys are doing both. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.